Hello students, welcome to the Git lab videos. Today we are going to discuss the concept of branches. As already discussed the previously what are the branches. Again, I like to so branches is basically nothing but a isolated line of development. So branch is usually for used for the parallel development. Previously, I discussed where I created new branches login branch for creating separate login page, and I created another separate branch called register for creating a registration HTML page. And later, after doing the changes and done with the task, later the task has been approved. I merged into main code base. So, uh, branch is nothing but a separate workspace where you can make changes and try out new ideas, fix bug, and later, once approved, you can merge back into the main project. So, branches also allows you to work on different parts of the project, like new feature, bug, or without interfering with the main code. You can switch between the different various branches where you can work with different parts of the main project without interfering with the main code base. Assume that somebody has developed the login one HTML and register dot HTML. So tester finds that there is a bug in these two registration in these two HTML pages. So your team leader asks you to fix the bug. Somebody has done the task. Assume that somebody has done the task. Team leader tells you to clone the repository and fix the bug. So I'll put here. So as usual, I will go to the uh, where is my folder is there. You go here. So created an empty folder here. So I'll right click it, select show more options. I'll open with code. That is VS Code. So this VS Code opens in the branches Git branching and merging. So here you have to go and click new terminal. Then you have to copy the URL. You have to download these files. Git git clone starts cloning. So it's downloaded the two files. Clearly you can see it has downloaded. So clearly okay, now you have to get into the directory cd copy paste it. So now you are into the directory. So in order to check the this one, I have already installed two extension. Open in browser and open in default browser. Two extension I have already installed in the VS Code. So I'll go it here. So right click here and select open in default browser. So type your credentials here. So clearly you can see this is a bug. So password should be masked. You should not. It's appearing in plain text. So this is the bug. This is the one bug discovered by the tester. Assume that discovered by the tester. We'll go to register.html. Open in default browser. So fill your details. So clearly you can see another bug is discovered here. So password is while I'm entering the password it's masked. So when I type the retype password, it's showing in plain text. This is called bug. You should fix it. So clearly I'll go here. Briefly, I will discuss the how to basic commands in branches. So branches. In order to create a branch, you should use git branch followed by the new branch name. So this creates a branch name. So in order to switch to the new branch, you have to make use of git switch new branch, or you can use git checkout. This is the first method. So method two, this follows method two. This is the command used to create a branch and switches to a branch. It does two tasks simultaneously: git checkout minus hyphen b new branch one. It does two tasks together simultaneously. It creates the branch one, and at the same time it switches to the new branch one. This is the second method. So in order to rename a branch, you can use git branch minus m followed by the old branch name to new branch name. If you want to delete a branch, if the task is core, you find a branch is no longer necessary, we can make use of this command: git branch hyphen d followed by the branch name. It will delete the branch. So coming to here, you have to create a branch. So you should not make any changes in the main code base because it affects the stability of the code. So you have to create the branch. So I already discussed that branch is nothing but isolated line of parallel development where you can do your own bug fixing, or you can do bug fixing or create new features. You can add new features to the existing project, make changes, make whatever the changes experiment you want to do without affecting the stability of the main code. So in order to get into that branch, you have to make use of git checkout or switch, either one of them. I'll make use of switch new branch. So clearly you can see the message switch to the branch new branch one. So I'm in branch one. To confirm which branch I am, you can make use of command git branch. So clearly you can see new branch one is in green color. This means that I'm in presently in new branch one. So in order to switch to main, you have to make use of again git checkout. Previously I had used switch. Now I will use checkout. Checkout main. So clearly you can see I am switched to main branch. Now to confirm it, you can type git branch. So clearly you can see main. It's highlighted. I'm in main branch. So so there is another second method. I'll show you second method. This creates git checkout minus b new branch. It creates the new branch one simultaneously. It switches to the new branch. Git type switch new branch. So we can see. I think I made a spelling mistake. C and ch one. So clearly you can see new branch one. So now we can rename the branch you want. So in order to rename the branch, you have to come out of the current new branch. Check out new branch. Sorry, it should be main. So clearly you can see I switched out to main branch. So if you want to rename the branch, you have to make use of command git branch minus m followed by the old branch name, that is new branch, followed by the new branch name. I will name it as new underscore branch 1. So clearly you can see the command has been successfully executed. Whether the branch has been renamed or not, you can make use of command git branch. So clearly you can see I inserted a underscore here. The old branch name was new branch one. So the new branch name was new underscore branch one. Currently, this branch has been renamed. So I will get into the branch in order to fix the bug. Git checkout or switch. You can use either one of them. It's checkout new branch one. So immediately when you create a new branch, the whatever the copy of main branch is there, it gets automatically copied to the new branch. So here you can do whatever the modification you want. It does not affect the source code of the main branch. Coming here, we can clearly modify. Here, here is the bug. So instead of text, you should type it as password. Here, so clearly you can see the bug here. I showed you password. Password is typing in text mode. So you should enter in input type as password. Now the password will be masked. So Control S, test it, open in default browser. Type here the email ID. I'll type my email ID. Type here some password. So it clearly see we can see that the password has been masked. It is, so it bugs is fixed. Check the register.html. Open it default browser. So here bug was discovered. I'll check it whether it appears in hash in this one masked or it is in appears in clear text. So clearly you can see the bug has been fixed. It appears in masked. So I'll go here. As usual, I'll follow the same process I discussed already in order to check in the local repo to remote. So git initialize is the first step for initializing the repo. Initialized. So second step is that you need to bring the files into the staging area. These two files are present in the local workspace. That is before staging area. So we can make use of git status in order to learn whether the files status of the files. Clearly you can see both the files has been modified and red color indicates that it is in local workspace. It's not added to the staging area. So as I told you earlier, in order to bring it into staging area, you need to add git add -a or dot. I'll use -a. So click enter. So I'll check whether this has been added to the staging area. Git status. Now both the files will appear in the green color. It means it has been added to the staging area. Now you have to give the commit message. So now you have to bring the files from staging area to the local repo. So in order to do that, you have to make use of commit command. So git commit brings the two files into the local repo, from where you can push it into remote repo. So for that, I will make use of git commit -m. Give the message as fixed bug. Fix the bug in login page, login and register HTML, web page. So I'm giving a commit a message, descriptive name, fixed bug in the login page and register HTML web page. So once these changes are approved, we need to merge from a new branch to the main branch. For that purpose, after approval, getting approval, testing of thoroughly testing that bug has been fixed, you can go back to the main branch. Check main. So clearly you can see I got back to the main branch. So main branch retains the original source code because I have modified the new changes in the new branch. New branch. So so now we'll come to the concept of merging. Merging is nothing but a combining the changes which are made in one or more branches into the main branch. Combining the changes what you made in the one or branch into the main branch. So what is the command for merging? Git merge will check whether which branch you're in. For that you have to make use of git branch. So you're in main branch. Now we can merge the branch. Git merge followed by the branch name, not merge. Click here enter. So clearly you can see that it has been merged. Git has merged what are the contents of the you have modified has been merged to the main branch. Now you are ready to check in. Before that, you need to confirm again. Test check it once again whether it is an bug has been fixed. This was the area where bug was not fixed. It was appearing in plain text. Clearly, you can see both are appearing in mask. Open the login page now. So the bug is fixed. The password now has been masked. It does not appear in the plain text. So this is an example of a creation of branch where which is used for the fixing of bugs. So once it is done, you need to sync local repo with the remote repo. Register remote repo with the local repo. For that, you have to make use of git. This command has been previously discussed in previous video. So git remote origin. You missed out on command here. Set URL origin HTTPS. Now you have to generate a token. To generate a token, you have to go to the developers settings. You have to go to click on settings. You need to get to the bottom. Click on developer settings. Click on personal access tokens classic. So over here, click on generate new token. Generate new token classic. Enter the credentials. It's asking for password. So it's successfully logged in. So I'll give the token name and it is, make sure all the checkboxes checked. Make sure to check the checkbox on the checkbox. So click on it, generate token. So it will generate the token. We need to safely copy the token. So after this, paste the token, followed by @ symbol and type github.com. So username and repo name I will copy from the this website. Go to here. This is the repo I created. Somebody showed you previously where I cloned the this one remote repo. So I'll copy here. Clearly you can see. I'll repeat it again once again. This command syncs local repo with the remote repo with the local repo. So git remote set URL origin https colon two forward slashes followed by the token ID followed by @github.com followed by the your username forward slash followed by the repo name. So I'll type here enter. Clearly see there is no error here. So now you are ready to be pushed into the remote repo. For that you can make use of git push origin click enter. So we can see the git log also. Forgot to tell you one command git log. So it displays the history commits. So clearly you can see this is the latest commit. I committed the this one. I gave the message a fixed bug in the login and register HTML. This is the work done. This previous commit. Press here WQ not get out of the net. Then git log one line. So clearly this command displays the history of commits in single line. So this is the latest commit you have done the you have to fix the you have given the message fixed bug in the login page and register page. Work done. This is the done by the other think it as other developer. So I see you push I have pushed already into the uh, mm, remote repo. So clearly we can see here whether it's been modified or not. You see. So clearly you can see the commit message fixed bug in the login page, register HTML and web page. So clearly you can see. In order to check whether the bug has been fixed, we'll go here and check it. Here clearly you can see I have given the input type as password. So bug is fixed. So in this type box it will appear in the marks format, not in clear text format. and we'll check register.html. So this is password. So I have typed it password. I have fixed the bug. So so that's it, guys. This is the end of the video. Again, thank you for listening.